Hey everyone, welcome back. If HBO Max videos are playing but you can't hear any sound, this is usually caused by audio settings or device issues. So let's fix it quickly. First of all, increase your phone's volume and make sure it is not muted or set to silent mode. Check if headphones or Bluetooth devices are connected and disconnect them if you're not using them. While a video is playing, tap the screen and confirm the audio language is selected correctly. Close the HBO app completely by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app and swipe it away, then reopen it. If the issue continues, restart your phone and check HBO Max app updates. Head over to your app store, search for HBO Max, and see if you have updated the app or not. If not, make sure to update it because you will get the latest version and all the bugs removed. After these steps, the audio should play normally in HBO Max videos, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.